Not everyone is a fan of Google Gemini, and if you just got the Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, or the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and you're wondering how can I change my digital assistant from Google Gemini to Google Assistant, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store now. Once you're in the Play Store, you have to search for Gemini. And if the app is not installed for you, go ahead and install the app. In my case, Gemini is installed for me. I'm going to say open, and then on the top right, you will either see your profile picture or the first character of your name. We're going to tap on this, and then on the next pop-up screen or the next floating screen, you will see the option of switch to Google Assistant. Select this and you can now choose your digital assistant from Google. Gemini is selected by default on the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro or the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. But if I select Google Assistant, it is asking me, do you want to switch to Google Assistant? And I am going to say switch. And now when I invoke my assistant, there it is. You can see that get the message of download in progress, which means that Google Assistant was being downloaded on my Pixel 10 Pro. And again, I'm going to swipe to invoke Assistant. Bam, here it is. This here now is Google Assistant, which means we have successfully switched from Google Gemini to the old Google Assistant on the Google Pixel 10 Pro over here. And the same process is going to work like a boss on the Pixel 10 or the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL as well. And to switch back, you have to do the same thing, right? Go back to your application drawer and look for the Gemini app. And once you open the Gemini app, it is going to tell you that do you want to use Gemini, because it detects that the default assistant on my Pixel 10 Pro is set to Google Assistant, and I'm going to say use Gemini, and bam, here it is. Now if I invoke my digital assistant from Google, you can see that this here is Google Gemini and not the old Google Assistant.